In this video, we're going to go over how to register your 3D printer so you can use it with the mystemkits.com website. The first thing you need to do is get your 3D printer connected to the internet. With the Robo 3D printers, you can either use their onboard Wi-Fi features, or you can simply connect an Ethernet cable to the back. Once you've done that, you're going to need to connect your printer to the MyStemKits website. Go into the Utilities tab of your 3D printer. Then click on Network. See Network Status. When you click on that, you see the host name and the IP address. Type that IP address into your browser window on your computer. From this website, you can connect either your Robo C2 or R2 3D printer to the MyStemKits website. The first thing you need to do is go into Settings, and then Plugin Manager. At the bottom, click Get More. Scroll down to the bottom again and look for From URL. Copy and paste the zip file into this. Make sure there are no spaces and click Install. You can find that file down below this video. When it says Done, click Close, and at the top it'll tell you you need to restart, so click Restart Now. When it asks you, are you sure? Click Proceed. Now keep in mind this will take a couple minutes, so just sit back and be patient. You will receive a few notifications throughout the process telling you that the server is offline. That is all normal and standard. And when you get the Please Reload message, click Reload Now. Once it finishes reloading, you'll now notice it says 3D Printer OS Cloud at the top of your screen. Go one more time into Settings, and this time scroll down until you see 3D Printer OS. That's our partner company that allows us to connect with all the different printers. And so, what you need to do from here is select your printer type, and then click Register Printer. You'll receive a token here, copy it to that, and then you can go directly to the mystemkits.com website and log into your account. From here, go into your Printer Management tab. At this screen, you can see all of your registered printers, or in the top right, click Register Printer to add a new one. At the bottom, you'll see an option for adding Dremel and Robo 3D printers. Click Register there, and paste the code into that box. Click Add, and your printer will now be registered to your account. You can close out of that screen, and now you'll find your brand new 3D printer registered to your MyStemKits account, and it is ready to start printing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.